Hey, hello everyone, it's Rhino here, and it's been one day after I posted my 50 subscriber special. So, I guess this is my 60 subscriber special because I actually wait, how will I put this into words? I actually did post another video, yeah, see? So, in the next video, that's probably also coming out today, I'm going to be doing a room tour because I got a lot of new stuff. Like, yeah, I can't really show you. Just like, haha, see, like this, like in the background. That's it. That's just a preview, but and also, so I'm gonna post one animation video every month. And then I'm gonna post at least one like real life video. It could be like just a skit, a vlog. It could be anything pretty much. Well, that's your 60 subscriber special. No. So you're gonna see a lot more videos from me. So I could actually not be like, hey, I'm gonna post more videos, and then no one's gonna trust me because last time I did. But I'm actually posting a video. Haha. See, I'm doing very good so far. But what was I? That was weird. But yeah, I will see you like in a few more minutes. Well, Noodle out.